Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover HelloTalk account. So when you open the app, you will see login to my account and with your previous email or Facebook or whatever method you choose to log in with. Now, if you forget your password or anything, you can press on more login methods and you can choose the login method that you used to join. Else you can press on I'm having trouble signing in. You can press on retrieve account. It will take you to choose a login method for your account. You choose email or Google and then press on next. Forget email password or invalid email address and you input your registered email and then you press on send email. They will send you email either to change the email or to change the password that you use to log in. That's it. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.